Welcome. Today we are going to discuss the topic mathematical method in physics. Physics is the branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy. The subject matter of physics includes mechanics, heat, light, and other radiation, sound, electricity, magnetism, and the structure of atoms. In TYBSc Physics, following courses includes quantum mechanics, second one is the classical mechanics, third one is the statistical mechanics, fourth one is the atomic molecular physics, fifth one is the solid state physics, sixth one is the electrodynamics, seventh one is the mathematical method in physics, eighth one is the nuclear physics, ninth one is the electronics. All courses are included in a TYBSc physics course. Today we briefly discuss with the mathematical method in physics. The mathematical method in physics, this is the most important course in TYBSc physics in semester 3rd. That course includes 4 models. First model, curvilinear coordinates. In this model, we discuss the coordinate system and different coordinate systems like curvilinear coordinate system, spherical polar coordinate system, and third one is the cylindrical coordinate system. Next model is the special theory of relativity. In this model, we discuss the Einstein's special theory of relativity. In that model, we discuss the postulates of theory of relativity, then time dilation concept, length contradiction concept, and relative speed that we discuss in this model. Third model is the differential equation. In that differential equation, we discuss the different differential equation like first order differential equation, second order differential equation, and its type. And next last model of in this paper is a special function. In this model we discuss the special functions. Then we discuss briefly in first chapter of this course called as curvilinear coordinates. First of all, we discuss the introduction of this chapter. Then in physical problems we have to deal with the several physical quantity like pressure, mass, density, electric and magnetic field, intensity, potential, and temperature gradient. These quantity may have different value at a different point in a space. One has to select a suitable to coordinate system solving such problems. What is a coordinate system? Any reference system used to fix the position of point in a space is called as the coordinate system. There are three coordinate systems which are mostly common use. These three coordinate systems are, first one is the Cartesian coordinate system. It is also called as the rectangular coordinate system. Second one is the spherical polar coordinate system, and third one is the cylindrical coordinate system. In this topic we shall discuss all these three commonly used coordinate systems, and then we discuss the general curvilinear coordinates and transform equations. Then first of all we discuss the Cartesian coordinate system. In three-dimensional space, the Cartesian coordinate system is based on three mutually perpendicular axes. The x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis illustrated as shown in below. the three axes intersect at the point. This point is called as the origin. Second coordinate system is a spherical polar coordinate system. In the spherical polar coordinate system, the position of point fixed by three coordinates r, theta and phi. These r, theta, phi are called as the spherical coordinates. As shown in figure, there are three coordinates in spherical polar coordinate system. The coordinate r, it is the distance of point P from the origin. That means r bar is equal to OP bar. It has dimension of length. Second one is the coordinate theta. The angle theta is the angle between OP and vertical axis. It is also called as the polar angle. The polar angle theta is equal to angle ZOP. And third one is the coordinate phi. It is the angle between the x-axis and OQ. Is the projection of OP on XY plane. Angle phi is also called as the azimuth angle. Azimuth angle phi is equal to angle XOQ. Coordinate surfaces. The coordinate surfaces represent three surfaces. OP is equal to R is equal to constant, represents a surface of sphere with its center, origin and OP as a radius. Polar angle theta is a constant, represent the curved surface of cone with its vertex at origin. Azimuth angle phi is equal to constant, represent surface of the half plane with its one edge along z-axis. Cylindrical coordinate system. In the cylindrical coordinate system, the coordinate of the point P are rho, phi and z as shown in figure. Coordinate rho. It is perpendicular distance of point from z-axis, that is O dash P is equal to rho. Coordinate phi. It is the angle between the x-axis and OQ, where Q is the foot of the perpendicular PQ dropped from P on XY plane. Angle phi is called azimuth angle. Third one, coordinate Z. It is the vertical distance of point P from XY plane, that is Z is equal to PQ. Similarly, there are three coordinate surfaces. First one is equation rho is equal to S1, represent the surface of the cylinder with its axis along z-axis and radius equal to rho. The equation phi is equal to S2 is the half plane with its one edge along z-axis. This plane is perpendicular to XY plane. Thank you very much.